Hello everyone, welcome to part 179 video of advanced ecom series in Laravel 8. So from this video we are going to work on the SEO for our website. SEO is the search engine optimization, and that is required to improve the website ranking in Google and other search engines. So it is really essential that we need to do this SEO. And first thing we are going to do, that is the meta tags. Okay, so in this video we are going to post the meta tags. We are going to add the meta tags for our website. Okay, meta tags means like this is the title of the page you are seeing. Okay, and we are going to add the description and keywords as well. I am going to show you, like if you will inspect uh, any page and you will go to sources. This is in Mac. Okay, we are going to sources, and in Windows you can check the source with control U option as well. Okay, you can search that how to check the source code of the page. Okay, check source code in Windows or in Mac. Okay, so that you can check that it is coming. See, control plus U is the option in Windows. You can do it. Okay, and you can check the source code. See, source code will show you that this is the title that we have statically added, but we need to manage it dynamically for the complete website so that we can also update from time to time. See, for home page we can keep static, but for the categories pages, for the detail page, for the CMS pages, we will keep it dynamic. Okay, yeah, for the few pages we are going to keep it static, that we are not going to change, like card page static is fine, checkout page static, okay, thanks page static. Okay, we will keep them static. So some of the SEO tags, meta tags we are going to add dynamically, and some we are going to add statically. Okay, so here I'm going to show you that there is the blade file, design bit file, layouts file, front layout. This is the front layout file. Okay, so let it open. So here you can see that we statically added this title. Now we are going to manage it dynamically, and description as well, and keywords as well. Okay, so first of all we are going to add the meta tags for our home page. So we will open the index controller, and simply we will add the meta tags here. Okay, we can manage home page meta tag dynamically as well. Okay, if you want to add from database, but we are going to manage from here statically. Okay, like we are going to add e-shop sample website, or e-commerce website, whatever is the title. See, when we will make it online, see here, this is the URL of the website. See, there are many other things as well that we are going to do in SEO, like so we are going to generate the sitemap, we are going to add the robots.txt file. That will all improve the ranking of the website. Okay, so don't miss this one. This is really important to do SEO. See, I know that roles and permissions are due from a long time. That we are going to do after SEO. We are going to work on roles and permission sub-admins. Okay, so uh, these important videos never miss. Okay, so now see here, title. I want to add the title layer here, like e-commerce website uh, training by stack developers, or e-commerce website by stack developers. Okay, that is enough. Okay, so this is the title of my website, and if I will add some description, this you are going to add your own description. Okay, so I will add something like uh, subscribe stack developers uh, to learn Laravel. Okay, simple enough. And keywords, in keywords I can add various keywords like it names suggest. So we need to add some of the keywords like if someone search stack developers, then website will come at the top. Okay, my website will come at the top. Okay, so and other than that, like you can add on another keyword something like Laravel codes or something Laravel video tutorial, anything you can that is related to your website. Laravel video tutorial, subscribe, track developers. Okay, download Laravel code, Laravel website code. Okay, such kind of thing. So you can see there is the title, description and keywords, and all these three things we are going to pass here so that it will reach we can show uh, there in our website, in our home page. Okay, so we are going to return to the blade file, but we are going to have it here. Okay, so here we need to update like if title is coming, then we are going to show that. But if title is not coming from the controller file or from the db, then we are going to show the static title. Okay, so we can here check. First of all, we can check outside or inside, it's your choice. Like if at the rate of if the title is not empty. Okay, if the title is not empty, if the title is coming, meta title, then we are going to show the title, else and if. Okay, and this one we are going to put in sorry, I sometimes forgot due to windows that how to move. Okay, so here I'm going to add it here, title, and here whatever we add title we are going to show here dynamically. Okay, like this. See, title comes two times. See, one, if the meta title is not empty, then we are showing the meta title. Otherwise we can show some other like Laravel e-commerce website uh, from stack developers YouTube channel. Okay, so like this, see, got it. So like this we need to add for description and keywords as well. Okay, here of if description is not coming, if it is not empty, sorry, if it is not empty, then we are going to show the description that is coming from the controller or from the database. Okay, so here see, this is the uh, syntax of the description. Here see, if it is coming, then we are going to show this one like this, and if it is not coming, then it's your choice that if you want to show then you can show. Okay, so you can show bit more detail like it must be of 255 characters, so you can add 2 lines or 1 line of code. Okay, slightly bigger than the title. Okay, so here you can add of your own choice like something more like you can add uh, this is the test e-commerce website that we uh, that we made to help the beginners in Laravel. So join and learn Laravel quickly. Anything you can add, okay. So in keywords as well, I'm just going to copy this one. We'll paste here. We'll replace description with keywords like this, okay. So keywords is the uh, see here you can see the meta name description, meta name keywords. These all are predefined in Laravel, okay. So sorry, in HTML itself, for the meta tags, okay. Only thing you need to pass here the information, okay. So here meta tag, meta keywords, if comes from the controller or database, then it will show here, else we are going to show our own keywords. And keywords, like I have told you, that we can have these keywords, okay. We can show these kind of keywords here, okay. So we can simply show this kind of keyword. So there you can see that we have added the else condition, because if in case the title, description or keywords are not coming from the controller and database, then we are going to show this these default meta tags, okay. So now we are going to check in our home page first of all, okay. So I'm going to refresh, and you can see all three are coming fine. Here you can see the title is coming, Laravel e-commerce website from Stack Developers YouTube channel, and you can see the description as well, subscribe Stack Developer to learn Laravel, and you can see the keywords as well, okay. Stack Developers, Laravel course, Laravel tutor, etc, okay. So all these three things are coming at the home page, okay. So we able to show whatever we want to show, and if next time you want to update, you can update it from here, and you can easily add it from the admin panel if you want. Just simply make somewhere like a home page meta tags and show three fields to update. That is very simple thing, I think, that you can do from your end, okay. It will save time. You can do some of the things from your end, okay. That will really help you to code. You have to do something from your end as well, okay. And now see, we are going to add the tags for category pages, for the listing pages. See, this is the casual t-shirts, okay. So we are dynamically going to show, see here we already have the fields for the meta tags, okay. We already added it earlier, because we know that in future we need to use them, okay. Here you can see the meta title, meta description, meta keywords, okay. So for every category we have the meta tags, only thing we need to show at the front, okay. So we left it to show at the front. We have it, okay, for every category, okay. You can add from the enemy panel, and then it must be shown at the front. So we just need to call this one. So we will open that listing, okay, that press controller at the front. We need to open this one, and here in listing you can see. So here is one category model. We need to open one function, this catDetails function. We need to update, we need to add here meta title, meta keyword, meta description, okay. These three we need to add here, meta title, meta description, meta keywords, to call them from the database, okay. So here we will simply add them, okay. So that we can get it in our catDetails function that we are using here in our listing function. So we have got it here. So now we can easily able to assign the meta title, description and keywords, okay. So we can have it here, meta title, Now we will get it from $category details, and you can see that we will get it in cat details. Here you can see the cat details. Okay, so we will have it in cat details, that is come inside the category details. Okay, so category details is here, and inside that we are going to have it meta title. Okay, like this. But if you will not understand this, so you can simply check what it's coming in array. You can simply debug your code, and meta title, unknown column, meta title. Okay, so we need to add it. We need to check that where this issue is coming. Unknown column, meta title. Okay, okay, spelling mistake. Okay, sorry. Here we are going to check meta title here like this. Okay, see, make sure that your spellings are correct everywhere. Don't do these silly mistakes, okay, like I do some of the time. Okay, so now it is fine, good to go. Meta title, that is fine. Okay, file save all. Now we are going to check. Okay, so now check once here, come back. Yeah, okay, so now see here, it is not showing because it is not coming here. It is from Ajax. These results are from Ajax, but we can copy the same thing, this one there. Okay, category details, we can check here, here as well. Okay, so I am going to copy this one, and we first need to check that where this one. Okay, so here you can see the meta title, description, keywords. So we are going to see whenever we will add, like we will add the casual t-shirts meta tag. Okay, then it will also show up here. So here we will simply add the tags for the casual t-shirts. Okay, so open the casual t-shirts from here, and we can add the meta title here, like casual t-shirts. We can add like buy casual t-shirts. Okay, buy casual t-shirts from stack developers e-commerce website at reasonable price, and keywords are casual t-shirts. Here we can add buy casual t-shirts, something like this, buy casual t-shirts, e-commerce website, anything. Okay, so we can simply submit. We can check once again that it's updated. Fine. Now we can refresh here. You can see the meta title, description, and keyword is coming fine here, and now we can able to pass them there. Okay, at both the places wherever we required. So simply we can disable this one, and in the same way, like we are having meta title, we are going to have that sorry, now we are going to have for meta keywords and description as well, meta keywords and description, and here we can see this source spelling mistake, meta title, then meta description, and then meta keywords. Okay, all the three things we can pass here: meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and these three things. So same, we are going to have it here also, and this one we can disable here as well, and all these three we are going to have it here. There we are going to return here as well. Okay, so now we are going to check once, refresh, and you can see we are having it by casual t-shirts. Okay, description is in front of you. Okay, by casual t-shirt from site. So we able to add the tags for our categories pages as well. If you will open some other category, like open the formal t-shirts category, then here you can see the dummy SEO tags that we have added earlier. Okay, this is the tag e-commerce website that we made, so that we have added in else to show if there are no tags, then we are going to show that dummy tags. Okay, so you can add tags for all the categories from the admin panel, and it will be shown at the front end. Okay, so now let's move to the detail page. We are going to show the tags at the detail page. Open any of the detail page, and in detail page we will not manage from the database, but we are going to show the tags from the detail page description, from the product description. Okay, from like the product name we can use, description of the product we can use. Okay, so let's open the detail function here, and here we can add the tags like all three we are going to add first of all like this. Okay, in tail function at last. So in meta title we can show the product name we can show. Okay, so here we can show the product name. So product name is the best to show at meta title, and in description we can simply show the description. Make sure description is not too long. Okay, it must be around 255 character, otherwise you need to do the substring. Okay, substring, I hope that you, every one of you must know that's what is substring, to cut off the that if the text is too much longer, then you can cut up till 255 characters and you can show. Okay, but it's better that if you will add only 2-3 lines of description, and that you can show here. And then meta keywords. Okay, and for keywords we can again show the product name. Okay, to have some benefit of that. Okay, so all three we are going to show in the same way like we have shown there, my title, description, and keywords. Okay, let's show it here, and now just simply check, and you can see here blue casual t-shirt is coming as the title of this page. Then description, this is cotton blue casual t-shirt for every person you can wear in summer. So this one we have added in the admin. You can just simply check the product details here by going by opening at the first product, and you can see this is the product name that we are showing as the title, and this is the product description that we are showing as the meta description. So this is pretty much fine for title, description, and keywords. Okay, for all the products. Okay, so you can show them like this. And now come to the static page, like come to the card page. If you have added some product in card page, okay, you can simply add the tags for the card page like we have added for the index. Okay, you can simply define like this. Okay, you can simply define like this, and see here I'm going to open the card function, and here you can simply add it like this, and you can add whatever you want, and you can return there. It will be shown there at our at the top of the page. Okay, so like for the card page, if you want to add something like shopping cart, e-commerce website. Okay, here anything, view shopping cart of e-commerce website, and then shopping cart like this. Okay, so all three we are going to pass here. Meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Now see, simply check this one, it is coming. Shopping cart, e-commerce website, view shopping cart of e-commerce website, and keywords as well in shop for shopping cart page. Okay, so like this you can add for the checkout function as well. Simply copy this one for the checkout function and add it at the last. You can add where the end of the checkout page. Okay, you can close this post method, and here you can add, you can simply replace with the checkout e-commerce website, view checkout. Okay, see, only title is enough if you don't want to add the description and keywords. Okay, because if you that much information is not required, because this is the page that you, that is the internal page of your website. So SEO will not play that much big role. Okay, SEO is better for the home page, for the listing pages, for the detail pages where much product information is coming, but the here it will not come, checkout page will not come there, because that checkout page is just for the products checkout. Okay, whatever the user will add there. Okay, so there is not certain kind of specific kind of products are not there. That is because every customer is having its own choice. Okay, so so this page you can only give the title. Okay, title is enough, and for the other pages as well, title is very much enough. Okay, and one thing we have missed, we need to add the CMS pages SEO as well. Okay, SEO tags, so like about us page that we have recently added. So for the CMS pages also we have already added here. See, you can see the we have already added meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Only thing we need to call them. So simply open that CMS controller at front, and just we need to pass this one, like meta title, meta keyword, and meta description. Here we need to pass. Okay, in the same way like we are doing everywhere. Okay, so like I'm just going to copy this one and we'll paste it here. Sorry, and here just we are going to have it dollar CMS page details, meta title. Like this we are going to add meta description and meta keywords. Okay, meta description and meta keywords, and here we are going to show these all three things. We're going to return meta title, meta keywords, and meta description. That's done. Now we can check, open, inspect here. Sorry, not here, here. Okay, so now we can check here. You can see now it is coming about e-commerce, e-commerce description, e-commerce. Okay, so this is we have added from the admin panel. Okay, so we able to show the meta tags for CMS pages as well. Okay, so like this you can add the meta tags for all the website. For the complete website, you know how to add for the dynamic pages, you know how to add for the static pages, how to manipulate from the database. Okay, so like this uh, you can handle the complete SEO, complete meta tags for the purpose of SEO, for improving the ranking of your website, so that the Google will show your website at the top if someone search for the related keyword, okay, that you have added. Okay, so in next video there is one more video we are going to make in SEO that is really important, that we will show that how to create the sitemap, how to create the robots.txt and other important files that are required to improve the SEO rankings for your website. Okay, so stay tuned for the next one. After that we will start working on the admin roles and permissions. Okay, so all important videos are going to come, so don't miss any of them, and uh, do watch the Laravel API series that will have all the important tasks to do, important advanced features. See, this one is currently going on. This one we have already done. Okay, so done points we can add it there. Contact page also we have done. This one also we are going to do. See, now SEO is going on, almost done. SEO tags is almost done. Okay, that we can mention it here. One more video on SEO that we are going to add on different SEO things. Okay, so that we are going to do now. Okay, so this one we are going to do, but now this one main thing we are going to do with this one, sub-admins, admin roles and permission, that is really important to do. Okay, so we will come to this one. This is lot of highest demand, everyone requires this. Okay, so we are going to do this very soon. Okay, after completing the one more video on SEO that will really help to improve the SEO rankings. Okay, don't miss such kind of things. And this one, see, Laravel e-commerce API we are covering on another Laravel API series. This one also Laravel API authentication, and one more thing we are doing here, and uh, that is something webhook. Okay, so webhook APIs, so don't forget this one, webhook APIs. So this one also we are handling in another series, so don't miss these things. Much of the things we are going to cover there as well, new things we are doing in Laravel 8 itself. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any query you can surely ask me. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.